What, did you expect a pun or something at the end of this video? Come on, you can't be serious. I'm just here to talk about how the channel is completely different now. I'm sure you've noticed, but the channel is now called Callum Prints. So I printed a pickle and disguised it as a literal 3D print. But this is my first upload on the new, sort of new channel, Callum Prints, where I'm going to make the coolest 3D printing videos on the entire internet. It's kind of a big deal. Oh, that's why I printed out the pickle. Anyway, you should consider subscribing if you like 3D printer content because, well, I like it too, and I'm gonna make it as cool as I possibly can. Anyway, I'm Callum from Callum Prints, and I will see you in the next video.